In this video, I'm going to show you how to add thumbnail to Instagram Reels. Now, for us to get this done, let's go over to our profile. So I'm just going to tap this one right here, and then we're just going to find some Reels that we have here. Say, for example, this one. I'm just going to go ahead and click this, and then in order for us to add a thumbnail, we're just going to click this 3 vertical dots here at the top, and then we're going to go ahead and look for the edit button. Now, clicking the edit button will reveal the thumbnail. So this is the current thumbnail here. You have the option to click the edit button just like so. And then what you're going to see first here are the frames that you have on this particular video. So basically what you can do is you can just drag this one right here in order for you to be able to select the thumbnail that you want, or which frame that you want to use as a thumbnail. Now additionally, you can just go ahead and click add from camera roll in order for you to be able to choose one. Now I'm going to try this one here, the first picture that I have, for example. I'm going to click it. And then I'm going to go ahead and click done. So as you can see, this is the thumbnail right now. I can just go ahead and confirm this one by clicking the check button. And then if I were to close this one, you should be able to see that now that is a thumbnail. But if I were to click this, the video actually changes differently. And yep, that is how you're going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.